Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to delete all your history in the Google Meets or Open Meets app. Whether you're clearing past meetings or just want a fresh start, this process is simple and takes only a few moments. Open Meets app on your device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Then, from the side menu that appears, select Settings. After that, tap on the option labeled History. Finally, tap on Delete All History. A confirmation message may appear asking if you're sure. Confirm to permanently remove your entire history. And that's it. Your Google Meets history is now completely deleted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials and guides like this one.